Hey guys, we're back over here at my sponsor, Pacific Sound Video. I'm your host, Kevin Livesay. I'm sponsored by the store. I'm over here at the store today. Thought I'd give you guys a tour of Pacific Sound Video. For those of you looking for car audio video, house audio video, home security, whatnot, they have it all here, trust me. TVs, decks, CD players for your car, speakers for your car, subwoofers for your car, receivers for home theater. Uh, yeah, so they have a lot of stuff that I think everyone would be interested in. So we'll go over here. We got some, swinging around, we got some security over here. Pacific Sound and Video security systems. Over here we have what's called wet sounds. So these will be sound systems for your boats, pontoons, fishing boats, stuff like that. Paradigm premium sound bar. Some Integra receiver. Paradigm standing speakers. They do get quite expensive over here. Some of the TVs here are on sale. That one's a Samsung that's on sale. Another Samsung on sale. Alright, we do have a C9 OLED for 2019 in 4K. Samsung 8000 Series 75-inch on sale for $5,000. Excuse me, not 1500. On sale for $1,500. It's a Samsung 8000, $1,500 on sale. 75-inch. We got Samsung Q9 65-inch for $2,000 on sale here at Pacific Sound and Video. Here's the new Samsung Q900 Series 8K QLED TV. Just got this TV in about a week ago. $2,500 Sony. This is a Z9D 65-inch 4K. It's on sale for $2,500. We got a sorry about that. I had to wait for it to autofocus, but we have a Sony 75-inch X850F 4K TV, 75-inch, on sale now for $1,800. Also, they do custom room setups for home audio visual. I think these stands of speakers are about $25,000 a piece, from how I understand it, for these particular ones. These are the Paradigm Persona 9Hs. Very expensive speakers. And when I said they do custom rooms, they do custom rooms. In here is all Paradigm floor standing speakers, Paradigm subwoofers. Right here we got a 10-inch, we got a 12-inch, some floor standing speakers, shelf speakers, center channel, all powered by, can't really tell, MHL, DTSX, Dolby Atmos, and we have it seems to be a 15-inch subwoofer from Paradigm as well. Alright, moving on to the next room. Alright, moving on. So this is another custom room that they have. They run most of the store with everything that's in this thing. We got some more subwoofers, a little 8-inch, 10-inch, another 10, another 8, some floor standing speakers, center channel, Paradigm, or excuse me, Klipsch. This is a Klipsch room, I guess. Klipsch floor standing. More subs over here. They also do in-ceiling speakers. They customize kitchens. This is their custom break room, I believe. 4-screen TV. Thought that was kind of neat. They also do deck speakers, so if you're looking for a deck speaker here at Pacific Sound and Video, they also have those. TVs for decks if you're looking for that too. They also do subwoofers for decks too. Some of the other stuff that they sell. They're getting out of the Oakley sunglasses thing. They don't do that anymore. This is what we call the boom room. They have a lot of JL stuff, Rockford stuff, Renegade, which is made by Rockford. So we got a lot of wiring and stuff. Got a lot of speakers, lots of decks. So they do sell a lot of car audio here at Pacific Sound and Video. A lot of JL audio. Stuff for your satellite radio, Dynamat, fuses, and other stuff for hooking up car audio. They can do backup cameras and everything. Cameras in your rear view. Lots of decks, DVD players for your car. So if you're looking for stuff that's on sale, they have stuff that's on sale too. So come on over to Pacific Sound Video, check some of this stuff out. This JBL bar, soundbar 3.1. Have one of those in. Got a bunch of TVs out here and sound stuff out on the floor. So whatever you're looking for, car audio video, house audio video, security, your boat, you name it, they carry it. They got a lot of cool stuff. Come check them out at pacificsoundvideo.com. Check them out on Instagram. Check them out on Facebook. That's Pacific Sound and Video. This is also being brought to you by Simply Elegant, which is a car club here in North Dakota. My Subi Doobie show car sitting outside. Also sponsored by Pacific Sound Video. Also brought to you by Simply Subi's North Dakota Car Club as well. So yeah, if you're in need of upgrading your sound system, your TV, your home security system, come on by, let them know. They have a lot of stuff to choose from. They even sell some headphones. Some of these JBL tube sound system things, I have one of those at home. And plenty of HDMI cables. They have plenty of cables for sale. So yeah, stop on by. Come over to Pacific Sound Video, check us out, Facebook, Instagram. Hit the notification bell, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.